Hey, this is Nehil from GB Media, and we have done a mini audit on your brand whose name is Swagman, which come under the sports and outdoor category. So, when I was deep diving into your category, I realized that the net sales is increasing month over month. So, from February onward, the sales is increasing, and in month of July, the sales was at the highest. Talking about the demand perspective, so demand has also started from the February onwards, and it was on the peak in month of July. These are the most popular keyword which is relevant to your category and brand and having very high search volume. But when I check this keyword on Amazon, I'm not seeing you are going very aggressive on these keyword. So for an example, if I copy this bike rack for car, so you can see that on bike rack for car, in terms of sponsor brand placement, you are not coming here. You can see that the young electric bike has taken over the placement. Talking about the sponsor product placement as well, you can see that the other brand which is like Yamika and LN Sports and taken over the placement. Talking about the sponsor brand video, you can see that this particular cyber rack has taken over the placement. So securing the placement on the very top of the search is very crucial for you, because as per Amazon data, 70 to 80% of the sale is happening from the top of the search result. This is not the one keyword I have checked. If we check about this particular keyword, which is bike rack for SUV, here also you can see that in sponsor brand you are not winning at all. The some other competitor has taken over the placement. Talking about sponsor product placement as well, your brand is not coming here. Talking about the sponsor brand video, you can see that CyberRack has winning the placement. If we check for this keyword, which is bike rack, here is the Pro Bike tool, which is winning the sponsor brand placement, and you can see that in sponsor product, other brand is taking over the placement. Talking about videos, here as well, you can see that the upright bike stand has taken the placement. So you should be going aggressive in terms of sponsor brand and sponsor brand video, because as per studies also, if you are going aggressive in sponsor brand, there is a chance of better CTR and your conversion rate can increase up to 20 to 25%. This is the opportunity tool we have. Here also you can see that the keyword is relevant to your brand and category, but here also on the top 3 keyword product, your brand is not coming at all. So right now you can see that most of the clicks is going for LN Sports. You can see that Max Hall, the Tans bike and other competitor is getting more clicks. So you need to be very aggressive on these relevant keywords so that your brand can get more and more clicks. I was just deep diving into a product listing also, and there I realized that you are not going very aggressive in term of defense campaign, because if you see over here, you can see that in the sponsor display placement, some other brand has taken over the placement here as well. You can see. Talking about the sponsor product defense campaign also, you can see that here it is all other brand coming up. So you need to be very aggressive on defense campaign. In terms of sponsor brand also, you can see that all the competitor is winning on your PDP. It's very, very important for you to go aggressive in defense campaign so that you can actually protect your AC from the competitor. This is the mini audit we have done for you. If you're interested in overall audit, do connect with us, as we have shared the link with you. You can fill the form as it is completely free.